Hello, welcome everyone. Today's video I'm going to show here about to be helpful through what we are going to have through the situation, what is going to be about we certainly over. Okay, so about to be over here, about to be done over the cycle, but we can start to help you guys through what is going on over here. Was the situation, but we can start to help you guys through what we are going to have through our cycle and the situation that we are going to have it, and how we can start to certificate through what we are going to look for it. As you can see about it, about to know about this kind of situation that is about be related to what we have to know about it on the saving accounts on the level that we can start to go through this level. As you can see about for ATM transactions and the basic purchases, I'll add note fundamental, code them, and then about be on option 3, one day and Friday. For any another type of dispute, then call them. And that is all about guys to help you.